Cloud contact centers are moving contact centers from the old model of companies investing a bunch of capital into equipment and data centers of their own and actually having that be hosted by other companies, and they get to basically take their hands off of the heavy lifting into what used to be a barrier into getting a real efficient contact center. So you're getting a cheaper contact center, you're getting a more efficient and scalable contact center, and basically you're able to do that without investing a bunch of money up front. As people have moved towards the cloud, it gives them more flexibility, right? And with that flexibility, you can choose and pick and choose which channels you'd like to be contacted by. So basically, in the contact center world, if you think about contacting a company, you can do it by voice, you can do it by email, you can do it by chat, you can do it by text now. And so there are all sorts of different ways that you can contact the company. And there are service providers, these cloud contact center providers, some of whom specialize in one of these areas. And so depending on your business need, or depending on your preference of how you'd like to be contacted, what different services you need within the contact center, each of these companies typically has a way in which they specialize. Now, the cloud contact center allows these companies to oftentimes add on different tools and different capabilities that they wouldn't have been able to otherwise when they used to have on-prem solutions and you had to put a bunch of capital. So depending on what a company needs and what they want, there's going to be a solution and there's going to be a company that focuses specifically on that. And it really just kind of takes a bit of research, searching what it is you would like, and what it is as far as a channel that your customers can reach you, and just take a look at that, and you can typically find a good answer. I've been to quite a few expos around the world, and this one in particular has, in fact for us specifically, for Voxbone, we've seen the most interest and the most movement for people wanting to change over from kind of the old standard on-premise solution and moving into the cloud. I think the movement to the cloud has been what's created this buzz, and in addition to the cloud, people are globalizing, right? So the movement to globalization has been happening for a very long time, but being able to do it as not just an enterprise, but a medium-sized company has been fairly expensive to date. But now that you have these service providers who are offering cloud solutions that are less expensive, they're more agile, they're scalable, I think people are finally willing to kind of jump in and take a look at what's out there, whether they're a small company, a medium company, a large company. I think companies in the UK specifically are able to move not only onto mainland Europe, but anywhere in the world very easily and very scalably. So,